Attention consumer! Your Commodore VIC-20 and DICOM monitor's computer operations have been logged down by a Barney error, because you have connected your computer to an illegal terminal program, outside of VIC term, which has not been authorized by Commodore. Hold on. You hate Barney. You hate Barney? I can't believe you hate Barney so much. You were gonna use this computer to bash him, weren't you? You must now pay us $7,000 or else we will alert the authorities and arrest you for malicious software use. Enter your goddamn credit card information and home address right now. We cannot show what you type on this screen, but you've got 10 seconds to do it.
Get to typing, asshole!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You fool! You're screwed! You did not pay us the money like we demanded you to, and now we will call the authorities to arrest you. Prepare for the CIPO violation message now.
Détecteur CIPO déclenché. CIPO detector triggered. Stand by for message in French. Vous avez activé le système de surveillance de cet appareil. Les informations relatives à l'utilisation de ce Commodore VIC ont été enregistrées auprès de l'Office de la propriété intellectuelle du Canada et seront saisies dès l'arrivée des autorités compétentes. De plus, un mandat d'arrêt a été émis à votre encontre à l'échelle nationale, et vous ferez désormais l'objet de poursuites judiciaires. Ainsi soit-il. Dites adieu à votre Commodore VIC-20 et à votre liberté. Nous vous avions demandé de payer, mais vous avez refusé. Par conséquent, vous purgez désormais une peine de 150 ans à l'établissement pénitentiaire de Kent pour utilisation de logiciels illégaux. Espérons que vous survivrez assez longtemps pour avouer vos crimes, car c'est là que vous passerez le reste de votre vie. Fin du dernier message. Au revoir. You have triggered this device's tracking monitor. The information related to the use of this Commodore VIC-20 has been registered with the Canadian Intellectual Property Organization, and will be confiscated upon arrival of the respective authorities. Not only that, an arrest warrant has been issued nationwide, and you will now face charges. So be it. Say goodbye to your Commodore VIC-20 and your freedom. Because we told you to pay up, but you refused. As a result, you will now be serving a 150-year sentence inside Kent Institution for using illegal software. Let's hope you survive long enough to confess to your crimes, because that's where your new home will be for the rest of your life.